Boston Ripping Rollers, letting the birds out today. I flew in the 11 bird fly Sunday. Out of 11 birds, I got 9 back. So that's another 2 gone to the Hawks. And I let the other side out today. The Falcon was here, but just dove at them and then scattered. I got bottle rockets that I shoot at the Hawks to discourage them, not to hurt them, just to discourage them. But this is the 11 birds I had. Let me go inside. This is the 11 birds. There's 9 of them in here now. I might have added another one in here, or made it 10, but only 9 came back from Sunday's fly. And this is the other kid I just let out. I fed them, I called them in. So I want to be in the 20 bird fly. It should be coming up. So I want to be prepared for that. Try to be prepared anyways. The way the Hawks are over here, I don't know. You get discouraged, I'll tell you that. That's one thing, I'm getting very discouraged. I hope I have 20 birds to fly in the 20 bird fly. You know. Some guy was looking for opals. I got a pink bar right there. You can see it. And I got white bars. A white bar cock there. White bar cock there on the floor. Another white bar cock up there. And then I got the hens. I got a lace hen. And I got a white bar there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me open the door. I got a white bar hen right there. Another white bar hen right there. This is an opal type bird. It's got the lace. You can see it. And then there's a lace on the floor, opal lace. Yeah, so I do have some opals that I can part with. So if somebody was looking for opals, you know, I might be able to get rid of a pair or 2. That's about it, maybe 2 pair. That almond's going to Jay this weekend. I got his son up there on babies. Show you his son. Right there. And then I think he got another almond in there. I get a better look at him. Yeah, that looks like an almond. He's got the dark tail feathers. Yeah. Turn out to be an almond. This guy's got feathers on his feet. Yeah, first time I ever got a bird with feathers on his feet. That I bred, anyhow. You know. This is the almond's mate. She's got an egg in there. They made a nest. And here's my pair of laces. There goes the hen. There's the cock. And they got a baby in there. See the baby right there? Yeah. I'm still breeding because I didn't breed at the beginning of the year. I was a little discouraged with the hawks. Like, why am I breeding birds for the hawk to eat? I watch them hatch like this, you know, from an egg to little babies like there. And then they get to like that size and I throw them in the kit. That's 2 nest mates, saddle and the white flight. And here's a pair of youngsters, that black and white grizzle type bird, the one with the feathers on the feet. And then I got 2 blacks from the almonds, black deer and black deer. That's the father right there, that almond. Yeah, so that's about it. Boston Rip and Roll signing out. Everybody have a great day.